In the last video, we saw how to conjugate the verb être, to be, in the present tense. And in this video, we are going to see how to conjugate the verb avoir in the present tense. So let's start doing that. As usual, let us write all the pronoms personnels. The pronoms personnels are je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, and il, elle in the plural form. Now let's add the verb to this. So for je, it will be a, a, I, a. Donc, j'ai. What we do, there are two vowels, so we cut off the E and we add an apostrophe. So it will be G apostrophe A-I. J'ai. J'ai. Tu as. Tu as. Il, elle, on a. So it will be just an A. So you can see here it's A and here it is also A. So we pronounce it the same, but we add an S when it is for tu. Tu as, il a, elle a. Okay, so the only difference is in the, you add an S. And here it is nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont, on. So we add the S in the nous, vous and elle to the A or the O in the verb, and it becomes like you add the sound zon. Vous avez, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Now let's translate this. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, elles ont. Both will be they have in the plural form. So it is I have, you have, he has, she has. We have, you have, and they have. Just learn this and apply this to your sentences. In the next video, I'll give you some examples where we use verb être and verb avoir in the present tense. Until then, bonne révision, au revoir et à la prochaine.